So, hello everyone! It's been more than a year since the last time na nag-post ako ng aming mga travel vlogs dito sa aking channel. And I'm so happy again na I was able to find time to edit our travel videos. And this time, ang aking iba-vlog is all about my work as an event coordinator and at the same time, travel na rin going to Balesig. So, it's gonna be a long video but I hope you will enjoy. Samahan nyo ako sa paglibot sa isla ng Balisin. Balisin is an exclusive island located in Polillo, Quezon. Ayan. So, dumating kami sa Port Real at around 5 a.m. or I think it's 4:30 a.m. And we waited na sunduin kami ng someone who will assist us sa pagsakay sa Cyvel. So, ang sinasakyan namin is Cyvel going to Balisin Island. Usually, traveling to Balisin Island as a guest, they need to go to Alpha Land somewhere in Pasay. But they have 3 hangar or they have 3 airport na pwedeng mapuntahan or masakyan via plane. However, since we will be working with our exclusive client, the client is the one who decided na travel kami going to Balisin via Cyvel. And I think this is cheaper compared to using the plane. I think the plane will cost you like 2,000 plus. That's back and forth per guest already. Alright, so bali ang task ko ngayon dito sa Balisin will be to coordinate the flight and accommodations of every guest na invited sa 3-day wedding of our client. So, eto na ang Balisin Clubhouse. So, ayan yung mga prices. You will get to check how much it will cost. And for everyone's idea or information, ang Balisin is, again, a private island. And it's an exclusive island wherein you have to get a membership for you to be able to spend your vacation here. So, ayun lang. At I think it will cost you like 3 million to get a membership in Balisin. Though, if you know someone who's a member in Balisin, I believe that you can book through them. And the cost of villa in Balisin will be 35,000 plus, and that's already good for 4 heads or 4 packs per night. But if you're already a member in Balisin or you already have a membership, it will only cost you 11,000 plus, I think, per night, and that's good for 4 packs. For an accurate details, you may also send them an email via info@alphaland.com.ph. Alright, so day 1, naglibot kami para maging familiar sa lahat ng villas, though maraming villa dito, pero yung mga nakita nyo is the Bali and the Toscana. This one is the Toscana where the bride will stay, and then we'll show you supposedly the place or the location for the bride during day 2 sa kasal nila, but hindi natuloy kasi nga umulan. So ito po yung Royal Villa kung saan naging headquarters ng groom, and also kami as a supplier. Dito kami tumutuloy for breakfast, lunch, and pag may meeting. So, for this one, ito po yung dito gaganapin yung magiging parang cocktail area. So, may welcoming event na meron silang cocktail night. So, dyan po ginanap yun. And then, dadaling ko kayo kung saan villa kami nag-stay, yung mga coordinators, and this is the Saint-Tropez or Saint-Tropez Villa. Ayun, bahala na kayo sa tamang pronunciation. So, ayan, ganyan kaganda ang Saint-Tropez. Kita nyo naman, diba? Napaka-elegant talaga niya. Grabe, nakakamiss. Ang sarap balik-balikan. And then, itutour ko rin kayo sa back door. After we enter the room, meron pa yung another door. And dun sa door na yon, it will lead you to the swimming pool area. At makikita nyo na rin yung beach view. Grabe, napakaganda guys. So, ayan. Kasama din namin dito sa villa na to ang hair and makeup team together with Oliver Bumatay and the rest of the professional hair and makeup artists. This is it guys. So this is the literally day 1 of our work, and I'm about to go to the hangar or the airport area ng Balesin, wherein I have to make sure na lahat ng guests na nag-confirm will be arriving right on time. So tara, labas muna tayo ng Saint-Tropez. So, ayan guys, habang yung ibang kasamahan ko ay natutulog pa, at 5 AM nandito na ako sa hangar, waiting for all the guests and making sure that they will arrive on time. So, tara! So, if it's our break time, we need to go again to our headquarters, which is in Royal Villa, yun, to get our food. That's why, ito, papunta na ako sa Royal Villa to get my lunch. Alright, since ito yung talagang day 1, so medyo nag-worry pa kami kasi biglang umulan, and we're about to start na with the welcoming of the guests, and that's gonna be the cocktail night. Eto na po. And thank God kasi hindi nagtuloy-tuloy yung ulan. Naging host namin for that night is none other than DJ Tony. Ayun, grabe ang galing, and ang saya-saya that night. Alright, after that guys, nagpahinga na ako, and then day 2, hindi na ako nakapag-video dahil sobrang busy since that is the day of their wedding. So, ang naging venue for the ceremony is in Marquee kasi nga umulan, and then dito nagkaroon ng konting cocktail night again, and ayun. So, back to hangar para mag-assist ng mga guests na magpa-fly out na. Alright, guys, after that, day 3, sobrang pagod na talaga. Pero, mild-mild na lang ang work since pajama breakfast lang naman ang nangyari. So, after that, nagkaroon na kami ng time para talagang mamasyal sa mga villa. So, this is the Mykonos Villa. And napakaganda dito guys. So watch and see how beautiful it is to visit this villa. So, ayun, during the reception nga pala, just to share, ang naging host is none other than Sam YG. Napaka-cool niya talaga. Napaka-buhay na buhay mag-host. And also, nag-guest din ang freestyle, which is... Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite kong villa dito sa Balasin, the Bali Villa. Grabe, ang daming emote na ginawa namin dyan. And then, dyan na rin kami nag-try ng mga food in Bali, and then tried cocktail. So, ayun lang. And then, more kwentuhan about mga nangyari sa event, and sobrang ayun, nakakawala ng stress and pagod. So, ayun lang guys. I hope nag-enjoy din kayo while watching this video, and na-imagine nyo na rin gaano kaganda sa Balasin, guys. Ayun lang. Salamat for watching, and I hope naka-like and subscribe na po kayo sa aming channel. And again, thank you so much, and God bless everyone.